Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Dodge Caravan battery. First, ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for your safety. Next, gather all the necessary tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a wire brush. Remember to always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from potential battery acid and any debris during the process. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Start by locating your Dodge Caravan's battery, which is usually found under the hood or sometimes in the floorboard. Using your 10mm wrench, disconnect the negative terminal first. This is crucial for safety. Once the negative is free, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal, being very careful not to let the wrench touch any other metal parts of the vehicle. With both terminals disconnected, it's time to remove the old battery. First, unfasten any battery hold-down clamps or straps that are securing it in place. Carefully lift the old battery out of its tray, being mindful of its weight. Before placing the new battery, take a moment to thoroughly clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps with your wire brush and terminal cleaner for optimal connection. Now, gently place your new battery into the clean tray and secure it with the hold-down clamps. Connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, making sure both are tightened securely. Double-check all connections before attempting to start your vehicle. Remember to check the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other great deals. Enjoy your newly powered Dodge Caravan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.